Last week I had the best day of my life. Yeah. Better than the time I got straight A's on my report card. Better than the time I won the lottery. Best day of my life. Because for the first time in 2021, I got to use a water fountain. It's breathtaking. Yeah, like, first time I could use a water fountain since the pandemic, so analog water fountains. It was like wonderful. It's on cloud nine. For all that time we couldn't use water fountains. I tried to order my own, but it just didn't work out. I went to the adult bookstore, went a bunch of movies about water fountains. Those guys, it's really got me. Yeah, it's better than like these water fountains. They make me happy. Like water fountains. Yeah, water fountains. Do they work? They do. Ooh, it's wonderful. Now I got this recorded, so if they ever set the water fountains again, I can watch this video.